So now as preachers and leaders, we have to come up with some type of mechanism that still teach the gospel.
But you would always see a gap related to the generations.
The gray area that I see most really is college age.
I feel like when you are talking about ages in a church, often you have the children of the people who go to a church, and then you have the parishioners themselves, or the people who go to church themselves.
My name is Jeremy Davis, and it's Sunday here in Atlanta.
Parents are forcing it upon children too much. Maybe they're not forcing it enough.
I think it's the way that our culture is shifting.
Is it necessary? Do I have to go to church? I mean, God loves me anyway, right? That's what they told me when I was younger.